Hi, I'm Filippo Cardinali from Italy, and I'll be at the annual Congress of the American Association of Endodontists that will be held in Chicago in the first week of May. And I'll be at the 80th booth. The booth number is 399, and I'll have two short lectures on Thursday 4 and on Friday 5th May. The topics of my lecture are the minimally invasive shaping using the 𝐋𝐞𝐿 system, and even how to manage a ledge using this rotary file system. And the second topic is the obturation of the root canal system using the devices from Eighteeth. So see you all in Chicago, and have a safe trip, and see you there. Bye bye.